All right, guys, welcome back to another video.
It's a homemade converter.
Working on the damn,
Little junky shit.
the white NNBS. So we are about to get ready to pull that transmission out.
Who's talking to?
Once we get that, Omar's being a dumbass. I'm talking to the damn camera.
Oh.
Goof. So pull the tranny out. We have the other transmission in the back. You guys can see, you get this thing lifted up pretty high. So let me put the camera around and show you guys what we're doing. All right, well, we're gonna get to work. We're gonna get all this V-bands for the exhaust out. This shifter linkage, all the connections there. I gotta get the tranny lines on my side, starter, so we can get the torque converter bolts out. All of the electrical plugs on the transmission. This bolt here for the trans mount, and these two on each side to get this cross member out. And then we got to get that drive shaft off from way back there in the diff so we can just slide it out of here and the transmission can go back. Well, obviously then we have to, before that, the final thing will be the bell housing bolts. So I guess we'll show you guys once they're kind of in the middle of actually pulling it out. I don't want to bore you guys too much with this process. It's not a how-to. Anybody want to sponsor us with a little lift? We'd appreciate it. Look at the little setup though. This half here, mine. This half here, broke boy Omar. This is, bro, you got my boy. All right, so we got the tranny out. Let me put 0.5. There we go.
Really?
Yeah, hold on. We gotta get some videos, bro.
Really, dude?
They want to see these stuff. All right, so here's the transmission that was in the truck. So you guys can see. There's the flywheel, engine, headers. So we got her out. We're not using our regular, usually we have a tranny jack for this, but I don't, we let somebody borrow it. I don't know where it's at. So we're just having to use the good old jack. It's been a while since we used this. We used to do this back in the days, but it's a little bit more sketch because the tranny jack's more surfaced for it to sit on, and it has like a little strap. And this is literally just that little chuck right there. And then we put a 2x4, so it's a little more sketch, but whatever. We be all right. So I'm just gonna pull it off right now, slide it off the jack because it's too tall to go under the truck. And I'm gonna hold it, and then we're gonna get it out, and then we'll show you guys the tranny a little bit more. I mean, there's not much to look at, but she's out.
I think it's like part 3 or part 2. But the stall finally came in. I think it's been like, we ordered it like December 18th. Yeah, so it's been a while, dude. But yeah, I ordered it off of Summit. It's an FTI 3200. I think it's like lockups. Yeah. So I'll leave the link down below. Yeah, I want to buy that one. It's not that expensive. It's like $600. But yeah, so it's finally came in, guys, and we're gonna slap it in the tranny on the white truck. So got the fluids in there and my toolbox down there too. But yeah, so let's get all that off. All right, guys, so I got everything off the truck, and pretty much I just got the tools laid out. I don't know, I want to be more, I like being organized. Everything's spread out, so it's easier to find tools that I need. Usually I just like to spread everything out. Very OCD, I guess. But here's the tranny, guys. And right now we're gonna pull, spill in like half a quart into the converter, and then we're gonna put it in the tranny, guys. Alrighty, so after a little picking up this heavy ass tranny and this one, putting it up here because we're gonna, as I can see, that doesn't have the, I don't know what this is called, but looks like it's just 2 bolts. All right, maybe this one too, but this bolt I'm gonna have to take it off and put it on this one. If not, it's gonna leak tranny fluid. But overall, oh, also the bolts that go to the tranny line, I'm gonna use the ones from this one. So yeah, So let's swap them out. That's probably like a what? 10, 13 looks like. We're gonna already put in the stock converter. Make sure it clicks like 2 or 3 times, but yeah, it's in. Good. Also, we changed out the Tranny bolt lines. Those are in already now. And the shifter right here is in. And remember to put the bolt in if you don't have one, because it's gonna leak. Also, we cleaned out the Tranny lines just to make sure there's no metal shavings in it. Take 4. So guys, we got the Tranny in, got the bolts up. There we go. So we put the cross member in it. Obviously we still need to put the drive shaft, but the Tranny's in, guys. We still need I mean, it's bolted up now. We just need to do the flywheel, obviously. But we might go something to eat, and then we'll come back. Plus, I'm not really in a big hurry to finish the truck, so let's go. But yeah, we're having some issues with the Tranny lines. They're just they just don't want to go back to their own spot. Right, Ismail? But yeah, so we got the bottom one in. We just need the top one. But these fights are good. You want some, bro?
Nah, I'm good, bro. I'm trying to get this fucking line in.
Yep. But other than that, we got the flywheel bolts. Got the air force all dirty and shit. But yeah, allá no puedes, güey.
Pinche mantra bien dura, güey, no mames.
Ya metí la de abajo yo.
Eso está más fácil, güey, no mames. La de arriba no se alcanza. No mames.
Check out the suspension, guys. And we got the little Mr. Heater right here, doing us a favor. Oh yeah, I still need to put in the intake manifold, but that shit quick. That's easy. Easy. Oh no. Got some Ace headers, MSD wires. Alright guys, so I'll keep you updated. I'm gonna keep on eating the fries till Ismail gives up, so I can get it done already. Alright guys, so we got the Tranny in, we got all the bolts in. Pretty much everything down there, Tranny lines, everything's hooked up. Now it just needs fluid, which we're gonna pour some in. But yeah, right now we're just gonna put the intake manifold back on since we finished putting the last bolt for the Tranny. But yeah, should be pretty quick, huh? I think that's all, yeah. I still don't know what the hell that bolt is for, but you know, if there's no leftover bolts, you didn't do it right?
There's no bolts left over to make the job. You can't do it right.
Nah. So yeah guys, so we're gonna slap the LSA Supercharger on it. So. Alright guys, so this is gonna be like a month cold start. Alright guys, so LG decided to pull up.
What's up? Got me out here in the cold. you got it done already? It's done? Nah, y'all bullshit.
Nigga wanted to pull up after it was already finished.
Y'all know what it is?
Yeah.
When did you get it done? Yesterday?
Yeah, we got it
This
done
morning.
yesterday. No, we didn't work on it today. It just doesn't want to turn on. So we checked the battery. So we checked the battery because yeah, it turned on yesterday good, but like today doesn't want to turn on. So we took the battery to get charged. But let me try to turn it on again. Try to. Alright guys, so pretty much we were having trouble because that night we started it up. I came here in the morning and it didn't want to turn on. And we took the battery to get recharged. Actually, I went with the past owner, Steven, of the truck, and he got me they exchanged a new battery, and then we got them in, and it still didn't want to turn on. And what was it, Audrey?
It was just low on gas. So fuel pump wouldn't prime. We're like, why the fuck is it not prime? And yeah, we just never thought it had no gas. I mean, it ran low on gas, but we didn't think it was that. So
Yeah.
we put gas in it now.
She's shopping.
So these newer trucks, I guess, they got like a sensor or something that they know when it's low on gas, the pump don't even prime, because that's probably what it is. Because older trucks, even if the pumps, if it's empty, like an MBS, no gas, you still open the key, you still hear it prime. This one didn't prime, and then once I put gas in it, it primes.
Yeah.
So, and now it's on. We're gonna let it warm up and fill up the level on transmission fluid, and then that's it.
Yep.
Get tires on it, wheels, and take it home.
Yep.
Get it out of here, because this fucking garage is very cold and humid.
Yeah.
And
well,
rats probably, and I don't want rats to bite the harness and make it worse.
Yeah.
So get the bitch out of here as soon as possible.
So this is probably just gonna be the end of the video, guys. So do a little
End of the
outro.
transmission swap, and then soon you gonna see us you know.
Yes, sir.
And the snow. We shut down the snow. We ran out of.
I
It's
don't know
already
about
melted.
that. Yeah, it's already melted though. Yeah.
If it hadn't melted, we could have still taken it out. The snow, it's all white, and the truck's white.
Probably would have got stuck before it would have.
Two-wheel drive.
Yeah.
Two-wheel drive life.
Yeah.
Alright. Peace out, guys. Like, subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video on the truck. Probably do some fun with it now that it's running.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look at her getting her feet wet. Stepping on some snow, boy. Sheesh.